Hello everyone, this is Rishi. So we are quickly seeing how do we download ActiveMQ and set it up on your own machine. So first thing you have to go is go to ActiveMQ Apache org downloads. Okay, so go there and see what is N-1 version. So whichever is N-1 version, I need ActiveMQ 5. So ActiveMQ 5, I'm good with that. Windows, okay, so this is good. Okay, so even if I need like one version lesser than that, I'm okay with that. So go ahead and download that Apache ActiveMQ 5.9. Okay, let it download. It is a big file, and once the download is complete, you can actually unzip that particular file and see how it looks like. So I already downloaded that, so I will show you directly how this unzip looks. So this is the zip file I have, ActiveMQ 5.15.9 bin. So I have downloaded it. So I'm just unzipping that. You got this folder now. So Apache ActiveMQ 5.15.9 bin and Apache ActiveMQ 5.15.9. So I'll just grab it and put it back. Okay. So I'm just avoiding this lot of folder structures. So I'll just copying and pasting it here itself. Okay, and deleting this guy so that I'll get some cleaner version of it, nothing else. And come back here. I love to rename this because I want to access this in command prompt. So I'll just say ActiveMQ and say 5.15.9. So that's a version it has. Okay, that's it. So now I have this ActiveMQ version 5.15.9. So now I'll go to command prompt and start this. So come to command prompt and come to this particular folder, which is cd java, and then you have ActiveMQ 5.15.9 folder. Okay, go inside bean. Okay, just check what are the things we have. Okay, so we have some command called ActiveMQ. You have ActiveMQ bat and you have ActiveMQ char. So out of that you have to actually hit the command start, ActiveMQ start. So once you do that, ActiveMQ will attempt to start it on one of the ports on your computer. So let's see if it works properly. Then we will show how does console looks like. Now you can see ActiveMQ web console available at, then this is your localhost address 8161. So do you want to see what exactly available at 8161? Let's see that. So just open your browser, type in http localhost 8161. So here I am, I'm adding one more tab. I'm saying localhost colon and say 8161 and hit that and see if it sees something. So I'm saying ActiveMQ right now. So this is my local ActiveMQ, and can I manage my broker? So what exactly is shown on the broker? So it will ask a password. So it will be admin and admin, I guess. If it doesn't work, it will be admin and password. Yeah, that's it. So basically you have admin as username password, and you can see queues. As of now, there won't be any queues as such. So you will be able to see that you can actually create a queue, test dot queue, test dot rishi dot queue, and you can create that. Okay, and you can send a message to that key with the help of queue with the help of send to button here. Okay, so I'm sending my first message. So I'm just saying first message, and you can send it. And you are able to see that message here. You can open that queue and see the message. That's it. That's it. So this is not rocket science. Actually, download ActiveMQ, unzip that, and go to bin folder. Hit ActiveMQ start, and that's it. Your ActiveMQ starts on your machine, and you are now able to connect to that particular ActiveMQ with the help of port 61616. Why I'm saying that? Why not 8161? Don't remember that this is HTTP port. Okay, this is where browser connects and console is available. ActiveMQ is available on 61616. Okay, so why it's available that port? That's a TCP port. Okay, so I will talk about it when we'll actually learn about JMS. But this is it. This is your ActiveMQ installation. So let me know if you face any issues in that. Thanks a lot, everyone. Have a wonderful day ahead. Enjoy your time.